Loving yourself will set you free. You don't have to follow all the things you see. Be yourself.
Nestled in the majestic coastal resort town of Scottburgh resides a true gem, Shoreline Apartments. With the current rise in property prices across the country, Shoreline promises to give you an investment opportunity that you simply cannot refuse. Situated on the mouth of the Impambanyoni River, 58 kilometers south of Durban, Shoreline is the trusted name that offers you luxurious apartments at affordable prices. We are situated close to amenities including the Scottburgh Mosque, Medical Center, scuba diving, T.C. Robertson Nature Reserve, and so many more activities all year round. This is something you definitely cannot miss out on. Take advantage of the current buyer's market and secure your very own Shoreline apartment. This is a never-to-be-repeated deal. So, what are you waiting for? With stunning sea views from your very own balcony, Shoreline is more than just a name. It's a promise to give you value for your money and your well-being. If you're looking to purchase a slice of paradise, then contact Imraan on 082 368 5229 or Faheem on 066 214 4510. Shoreline, where the sea meets the shore, it does not get any closer.
Kun anta tasdad jamala.